Hello students, good morning. In accountancy, today we are going to see about the next chapter. That means so far the non-profit organization we have completed with a revision also. Now we are slowly going to the next type of accounts called as partnership type of accounts. So that is called as chapter 3, the basic concepts of partnership business. So in this chapter, the meaning of the partnership firm, the contents of the partnership deed, then the format and the interest on capital and the interest on drawings and the profit and loss appropriation account. So that is the introduction account. So now slowly we are going to the meaning of the partnership firm. See, already in 11th standard we have learnt about the different forms of business organization. So after sole trader, partnership is the next type of business. But here, when there are two or more persons who carry on the business basically based on the agreement. So the persons who have agreed to carry on the partnership business are individually called partners and collectively called as firm. So this is the meaning of the partnership firm. Now in detail we are going to about. So according to section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act defines that when two or more persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So this is the definition given by the Indian Partnership Act of section 4. Then the features of the partnership. First one is the minimum is 2 or more. The maximum is 50. And there should be an agreement among the persons to share the business. The agreement may be oral or written. The business can be carried on by all the partners. Okay, students. Now next we are going to partnership deed. So partnership deed is nothing but a document which contains the terms of the agreement. It is not compulsory for all the partnership firm, but a partnership deed means it is an evidence, it is an proof, it is a contract, or it is an agreement among the partners. So let us see what are the contents they will include. So let us see what are the contents of the partnership deed. So first one is name of the firm and the nature and the place of business, date of commencement, name and address of all the partners, capital contributed by the partner, profit sharing ratio, amount of drawings, rate of interest, then rate of interest on drawings of the partners, rate of interest on loan, amount of salary to be allowed to any partner, maintenance of accounts and audit procedure, then procedure of admission of a new partner, procedure for the retirement of a partner, method of valuation of goodwill at the time of admission or at the time of retirement or a death of a partner, then appointment of an executor in case of a death of a partner, then settlement of accounts on dissolution of the firm. So these are the contents of partnership deed. So what are the things we have completed? The meaning of the partnership firm, the definition of the partnership firm, the features of the partnership firm, and what are the contents of the partnership deed. If you have any doubt, you please refer your 11th standard commerce book with you, students. Now next we are going to that. What are the provisions of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of the partnership deed? Suppose if there is no partnership, when there is no express statement in the partnership deed, so how the act will apply? Number 1, remuneration to the partners. Actually remuneration means salary. No salary or no remuneration is allowed to any partner. Profit sharing ratio, If the deed is silent or there is no deed means the profit or loss to be shared by equally. Then interest on capital. No interest is allowed on the capital. Interest on loan. Interest on loan